In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a time tracking report on Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, since access to reports can depend on your admin role. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct company profile if you manage more than one account. That will help you avoid pulling data from the wrong workspace. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This is where Gusto keeps a variety of payroll, employee, and time-related reports. If you're new to this section, don't worry. The layout is designed to make it easy to browse and find the report you need. After that, go to the Reports library and select Time Tracking Hours. This report is specifically designed to show employee hours that have been tracked in the system. It's useful if you want to review worked hours before payroll, double-check totals, or keep a record for your team. Once the report opens, choose the date range you want to include. You can usually select a specific pay period or enter a custom range, depending on what you need. Be careful here, because the accuracy of your report depends on choosing the correct dates. If you're preparing for payroll, it's a good idea to match the report range to your pay schedule. With the date range selected, review the tracked hours shown on screen. Look over the employee information and make sure the hours appear complete and accurate. This is a helpful point to catch any missing entries or unusual totals before exporting the report. If needed, apply any available filters to narrow down the results. For example, you may be able to focus on certain employees, teams, or other categories depending on your Gusto setup. Filters are optional, but they can make the report easier to read if you only need specific data. When everything looks right, generate the report. This will display the employee time tracking data based on the range and filters you selected. Give it a moment to load, especially if you're working with a larger team or a longer reporting period. Then download the report in your preferred format. Choose the export option that works best for your workflow, whether you plan to share it, archive it, or review it offline. Finally, open the downloaded file and review the results carefully. Check employee hours, totals, and any time tracking details included in the report. A final review helps confirm that the information is complete and ready to use. Thanks for watching.